Shillong Lajong Football Club, which is one of the most popular football clubs in India, announced the new membership program for the I-League season of the year 2024-25. The 2024-25 I-League season, organised by the All India Football Federation, will start on 22nd November. The Shillong Lajong membership program aims to recognise, congratulate and reward the unwavering support of the club's loyal supporters. Members will receive many benefits, including priority access to match tickets, club specials and discounted prices on I-League tickets in Shillong. Fans can register for the membership program of Shillong Lajong FC through the official club's social media pages, and they can also visit the club office at Centrepoint Hotel, Police Bazaar.
COO coba klub iba don kat ni kelima ke pemerintahan. Isno budi gomale ini kementak kini ki nomor sian baru. Dengan kadar klub pembi no ya gawe ka pemerintahan ban Island ini nomor sian juga klub kejongi ban long no ki khot dan ki member apo jong ke klub. Bakatang jong member juga klub, apo juga klub nin don akan don hadu likely.
And now the weather report.